Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by organizing your data so Origin reads it immediately. Put X in the first column and Y in the second. Once your file is saved as CSV or XLSX, open Origin and choose File Import to bring the file in. Make sure column types are numeric. If not, change them to avoid plotting errors. Once done, select both columns because Origin needs the selection to create a proper graph and to map X versus Y correctly. With columns selected, use the plot menu to pick a basic graph type such as scatter or line. This quickly draws the data so you can see structure. Next, open plot details to fine-tune symbol size, color, and line thickness. These visual choices improve readability and highlight trends. Make sure to label axes with units and to set axis ranges or transforms if needed. Doing so clarifies what the numbers mean and prevents misleading scales, so your plot tells the correct story. To finish, polish your graph by adding annotations, fit lines, or error bars from the Analysis menu. Once satisfied, export using File Export Graphs and pick Format and Resolution for your audience. If you need reproducibility, save the project file. If the plot looks wrong or is missing points, inspect the worksheet for non-numeric cells, hidden rows, or wrong delimiters. These common issues prevent Origin from reading values. If correcting those doesn't help, re-import the cleaned file and replot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.